Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting after the iOS 18 update or any update that you have done. You want to follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is pull down the control menu, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, just like that, and turn it off. And that does a quick network refresh of things like Wi-Fi and connectivity. You can also do this from the setting itself by going to settings, putting it on airplane mode, and then turning it back on and off. And after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is in the settings, click on the Wi-Fi. Now, if for some reason maybe it is connecting or it's loading and you're connected to a network, I recommend is click on that eye icon and clicking on forget this network. Click on forget and then retrying it again. It could be that if you have a saved network, it's just not working. Yeah, this will help as well. Another thing to do is if you're, let's say you're connected or it's not working this time, what you want to do is where it says private IP address, you want to turn that setting off, and then it'll say allow. You're just going to click on that. That's fine. And then where it says limit IP address tracking, you want to turn that off. With these two settings turned off, you should be able to get your Wi-Fi to work correctly. Now could be a temporary workaround, as there's a next update that could fix this problem. Now if you're finding that didn't fix it, the next thing to do is go into your settings. This time you're going to go to general and then go over to VPN and device management. And if you have any VPN set up, I recommend is deleting them, and then if you need it, you can reinstall them after you find out that the Wi-Fi was working. Sometimes a VPN certificate can also interfere with the Wi-Fi connectivity, so it's important to delete those VPN and then reinstall them if you need to. Now after you have done that and it's still not working, the next thing to do is in your settings, go to general, go all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone, tap on that and then click on reset. The reset that you want to do is a network reset, which is the second option here. It will basically reset all of your network related settings, so any saved Wi-Fi or any Bluetooth connected devices, you just have to reconnect them. But again, important troubleshooting steps if you simply can't get the Wi-Fi to connect after the update. Now, another thing to do, which is going to be the final thing to do, is checking if there's an update for a bug fix, which most likely is a reason why you're having issues connectivity after update. So in the settings, go to general, go for software update, and check if there's an update available. If it is, you're going to go ahead and click on update now to get the latest update to fix any issues that you may be experiencing. Now, along with that is going to be another tip, is going to be around your router. So with the newer iPhone update, you're going to notice that 5G is supported, 5GHz is supported versus 2.4 GHz, which basically means on your network router that you have, if you have the configure setting, you want to go ahead and turn both of them up and try to connect with your the 5GHz one, which is going to be your better setting in terms of connectivity. And after doing all this, I hope your Wi-Fi is connecting on your iPhone. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button. Also, if you found another way to fix with any of your VPN settings or other settings that you found out, do share it in the comment section so everyone can also benefit from it. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. We'll see you guys next time.